In the next 60 seconds, I'm gonna try to change your life. Are you ready? Let's go. You have 24 hours. Same as everyone else. No more, no less. What separates the winners from the rest? It's how they use those hours. While others are scrolling, you grind. While others are sleeping, you plan. While others are doubting, you build. You don't need more time. You need more discipline. Today is your chance. Make it count. Make it matter. Because no one's coming to save you. It's on you. Are you tired of feeling like you're wasting your life? Do you ever look at the people around you and wonder how they got where they are while you're still stuck in the same place? Trust me, my friend, you are not alone. There was a time in my life when I felt like I was just going through the motions, day after day, year after year. I knew I had potential, but I was stuck in a rut, and I couldn't see a way out. But then something changed. I discovered that the difference between those who succeed and those who do is not what you think it is. It's not about luck or being in the right place at the right time. It's about discipline. It's about taking the actions that you know you should take, even when you don't feel like it. I want you to remember this. You have 24 hours every single day. No one else has that same 24 hours. No one else has your exact set of skills and experiences. You are unique and you have something to offer the world. It is up to you to figure out what that is and how to use your time to make the most of it. So stop wasting your life. Stop comparing yourself to others and start focusing on what you can control. You have the power to make today count, so don't waste it. Take action. Be disciplined. And remember, you don't need more time. You need more discipline. I hope this video has inspired you to take action and start making the most of your time. Remember, you have the power to change your life. Don't waste it. Thank you for watching. If you liked this video, please hit the subscribe button so you never miss out on new content that will help you grow and succeed. Now get out there and make today count. Are you ready to take the next step towards success?